2017 has indeed been a great year.
Yes.
But these things must stop. I didn't get your text.
Bruh.
Who got it? How can a fine girl like you be broke now? Posting picture of babe without tagging them.
What?
Celebrating 100 Mother's Day in 1 year. Every time you're bored, you call a guy to come and take you out. Are you a bag?
Oh my God.
Every time you're bored, you call a girl to come and play with you. Are you a toy?
Jesus.
Beefing one another and causing trouble around. Posting picture of food and telling me come and eat.
How?
Drinking one bottled water for 10 hours. Stop that nonsense. Fighting in the comment section.
Wow.
Using filter and makeup to deceive the brothers.
She what?
Stealing Wi-Fi. Carrying charger about. Dancing one corner.
Hey.
Traveling to Ghana and coming back with American accent.
How?
You want your girlfriend to pour me acid, Abi? Sister, toast me if you want to toast me.
My nigga.
You see a cute baby's picture and the next thing, oh my eggs, oh my ovary.
Will you keep quiet?
If you want to carry baby, go and carry belle. Good afternoon, sir. I came from Owerri to come and see my brother, but I'm getting
Do me
there.
a favor, please. Get out of here.
Erecting status, replying with K instead of OK. Spreading negativity and hate on people's pages.
This will end today.
Send me your account number. And you won't send anything. Stop that nonsense. Woman of God in the bio, but hoe in real life.
Continue.
A fine girl like you can't be single now.
Bruh.
Bros, toast her if you want to toast her.
Okay.
Saying there is instead of over. I'm not fat, I'm thick.
The case like this.
Give me one of your friends that is fine like you now.
Bruh.
Oh my day. Calling every Yoruba boy Yoruba demon, Yoruba dragon. Ladies bending their leg to take picture.
It's a serious matter.
WhatsApp status like seasonal movie.
Funke.
Ships, let me faint.
I'm coming.
I'm in my house, come and beat me. Asking us to take you out on your birthday. Even on our birthday, we'll take you out.
There is God. Oh.
They pay you to come and perform and sing, and you are pointing mic to the audience.
Hey!
A friend gave me your contact.
Nope.
Taking mirror selfie in every toilet.
Help us. Oh.
Being stingy with likes and comments. Calling me boss, chairman, oga. Whining me unnecessarily. Asking me when are you getting married.
Yeah?
Flashing me so that I will call you back. In 2018, if you try that, we will keep flashing ourselves.
ìyanu wá ṣẹlẹ̀ o olúwa cover mi ìyanu wá ṣẹlẹ̀ o gbàngbùdù gbàngbà ìyanu wá ṣẹlẹ̀.